do you know this plant? Do you know this plant? Can you guess what it is? Did you know that this is how peanuts are grown? Did you know? Look at it. This is peanut. Peanuts. I know many of you eat peanuts and don't even know how it's grown, right? So yes, this is peanuts. Peanuts. When you see this plant and it has a yellow bloom there, blossom, don't kill it. That's peanut. Peanut, peanut, peanut. Don't go nuts, don't go peanuts. And peanuts are very great for you. They're rich in protein, rich in fat. Yes, as you know, many people make peanut butter. So yeah, and it's rich in lots of vitamins and minerals. Did you know? Did you know how peanuts are grown? Well, there you have it. This is how. That's peanuts. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching. So yes, this is peanuts, and we were wondering when it's ready to be reaped, and my wise country husband, said, yeah, when it's flowering, that's when you know it's ready to reap. So yeah, that's country living, and yeah, this is peanuts. Peanuts. This is how it's grown. Did you know? Did you know? Yeah, peanuts. Peanuts are rich in vitamins and minerals. Yeah, protein, high in protein and fat. And it's great to eat it after your meal. Always remember that. I learned it the hard way. I had it before. And yes, they say 1 handful of nuts is great for you to eat each day. Yes, 1 handful of nuts, great for you. All right, we're going to try it and see. Peanuts. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.